In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a hover box in Wix. Alright, let's get started by opening up your Wix website editor. It's as simple as heading over to the Wix website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're on your main dashboard, you'll navigate to the Edit Site button to launch the Wix editor where the magic happens. Now that you're inside the editor, take a moment to get comfortable with the interface. It's here where you'll have the opportunity to create and modify the elements on your website. Clicking on Add Elements in the left-hand menu will reveal a drop-down of all the elements you can incorporate into your page. Here, find and click on Box. This section is going to be crucial because boxes serve as the foundational building blocks of your design. From the box options that appear, select a style that visually aligns with your website's theme. You have a range of designs to choose from, so feel free to explore and find the best fit. Once your box is placed on the page, you have the freedom to adjust its size and position, ensuring that it integrates seamlessly into your site's layout. Next, we'll enhance your design by incorporating a hover box. To do this, once again click on Add Elements and navigate your way to hover boxes. Hover boxes are a fantastic feature that brings dynamism to your site by revealing new content when hovered over. All you need to do is choose a pre-designed hover box that matches your style and drag it onto your workspace. Once your hover box is in place, it's time to adjust its size and position accordingly, so it fits perfectly within your design. Click on the container box and resize it to your preferred dimensions, tweaking its position as necessary. The goal is to make sure that it complements the rest of your page's layout and functions as intended. To add some flair, click on the container box and select the Animations and Effects option. This is where the fun begins. Browse through the various animation presets available and select the one that brings your vision to life. This added layer of motion graphics will make your hover box not just functional, but also visually engaging. Once everything is set up the way you like, one final step remains: saving your work. Click on the Close button to exit the animation menu, and don't forget to click on Save at the top right of your screen. This ensures all of your hard work is securely stored and ready to impress when your site goes live. And there you have it. You've successfully animated a hover box within your Wix site. Following these steps will add interactivity and sophistication to your web pages, enhancing your visitors' experience significantly. Thanks for joining me today, and enjoy exploring more creative possibilities with your Wix website.